Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out the 3 best dining tables for small spaces. Whether you're living in a cozy apartment, a compact studio, or just want to maximize your dining area, these tables are designed to fit perfectly without compromising on style. Check the link in the description to get these products and bring home the perfect table for your space. Now, let's dive in. First up, we have the VASAGLE folding dining table, a smart and versatile choice designed especially for small spaces. Whether you're preparing a quick weekday meal for 2 or hosting a cozy dinner with a couple of friends, this table adjusts to your needs. Its dropleaf design allows you to easily switch between a compact size and an extended surface that can comfortably seat up to 4 people. Assembly is simple and quick, thanks to clear instructions and numbered parts. The table itself is built with durable particle board and supported by strong steel legs, ensuring stability and long-lasting use. Plus, it comes with adjustable feet that keep it steady, even on uneven floors. When you're done entertaining, just fold it back down and it takes up very little space, making it ideal for apartments, kitchens, or even balconies. If you want a dining table that's flexible, sturdy, and space-saving without losing style, the VASAGLE folding dining table is a fantastic investment for your home. Next, we have this beautifully designed round dining table, perfect for families or small gatherings. With its 47-inch size, it comfortably seats 4 to 6 people, making it an excellent centerpiece for daily meals, intimate family dinners, or lively social occasions. Its round shape encourages conversation and creates a welcoming atmosphere in any dining space. One of its standout features is the built-in storage shelf, which helps keep your table clutter-free. You can easily store tableware, kitchen essentials, or even a few decorative items, all within arm's reach. This smart design makes it practical without losing style. The table is built to last with a sturdy cross-shaped base, thickened MDF tabletop, and strong carbon steel frame. It's resistant to heat, scratches, and water, so it stays looking good meal after meal. The industrial-style design, with its rustic wood grain finish and clean lines, blends perfectly with both farmhouse and modern interiors. If you want a dining table that offers space, style, and durability, while keeping your dining area neat and inviting, this round dining table is an ideal choice for your home. Finally, we have the HOOBRO bamboo dining table, a compact and stylish solution for small spaces. Measuring just 27.6 inches square, it comfortably seats 2 to 4 people, making it ideal for kitchen breakfast nooks, apartments, or cozy dining areas. Despite its size, it provides a practical surface for meals, snacks, or even work and hobbies. Crafted from natural renewable bamboo, this table is both strong and durable. The reinforced structure and non-slip foot pads ensure stability, while the smooth, textured bamboo surface is easy to clean and maintain. Rounded corners add an extra layer of safety, making it perfect for families or small children. Beyond dining, this versatile table can double as a small workstation, a game table for cards and puzzles, or a study desk. Assembly is quick and straightforward, with clear instructions, included hardware, and simple installation steps, so you can enjoy it right away. If you're looking for a space-saving, eco-friendly, and stylish dining table that fits seamlessly into a small home, the HOOBRO bamboo dining table is a smart and practical choice.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. For product links, pricing, and more details, check out the description. Have any questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.